Hello everyone, I am Avinash, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I give a presentation on Introduction to Python Programming. The topic is string indexing and slicing. First, Introduction to string indexing and slicing. String indexing and slicing are powerful techniques used in Python to access individual characters and extract subtract from a string. Indexing refers to accessing a specific character in a string by its position. Slicing allows us to extract a portion of a string by specifying a range of index. String slicing, positive indexing and negative indexing. For example, space 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the positive indexing. -4, -3, -2, -1 is a negative indexing. These are string 1 and string 2. Accessing individual characters. Individual characters in a string can be accessed using a square brackets and the index of a character. The index starts from 0 from the first character and incremented by 1 for each subsequent character. Negative indexes can also be used to access character from the end of a string, with -1 being the last character. Example of accessing individual characters. To access the first character in the string, yellow, we use yellow 0 which returns H. To access the last character, we use yellow -1 which returns O. We can also use variables to store the result. Example, first char is equal to yellow 0 and last char is equal to yellow 1. Extracting substring using slicing. Slicing allows us to extract a portion of a string by specifying a range of indexes. The syntax for slicing is string start, end, and step, where start is the starting index and end is the end index, and step is the step size. Omitting the start index defaults to 0, omitting the end index defaults to length of the string, and omitting the step defaults to 1. Example of substring extraction using slicing. To extract this substring L from the string yellow, we use yellow 14, which returns L. To extract every second character from the string yellow, we use yellow2, which returns HLO. Slicing can also be used to reverse a string. Example, yellow -1 returns OLLEH. How to get a subtracting string? S start, stop, and step. S means string variable, and start means start index of a substring. This is included. Stop, stop index of substring. This is excluded. And step, step size default 1. Slicing with negative indexes. Negative indices can be used in slicing to count from the end of a string. To extract the substring WO from the string hello world, we use hello world -6 -4, which returns WO. Negative step size can also be used for reversing a string using slicing. Example, yellow -1 returns OLLH. Handling out of range indices. When using a slicing, if a start or end index out of a range, Python will return an empty string. If the step size is 0 or not an integer, Python will raise a volume error. It is important to ensure that the indices are within the valid range to avoid errors. Practical application of string index and slicing. String indexing and slicing are commonly used when dealing with text data, such as parsing string, manipulating file names, or extracting specific information from a larger string. These techniques are also useful in data cleaning text processing, and working with a APIs, the return string based data. Python string indexing and slicing provide a flexible and efficient way to handle string operation. String slicing. This is an example used to string slicing. Positive indexing and negative indexing. Phase 0, 1, 2, 3 is a positive indexing. -4, -3, -2, 1 is a negative indexing. Summary. String indexing and slicing are essential techniques for accessing individual character and extracting substring from string in Python. Indexing allows us to access specific character by their position, while slicing enables us to extract portion of a string by specifying a range of indexes. With the help of negative indices, step sizes, and default values, we can efficiently manipulate strings. List indexing and slicing. List slicing. A open bracket 2 5 close the bracket. Spam egg bacon tomato ham lobster. List of indices 0 1 2 3 4 5. Thank you.